Well, don't fall on there then. Why are you falling in the first place? Don't fall.
Already?
Yeah, don't fall.
Oh, is it?
Falling could hurt. Oh, shit.
Ready?
Oh, shit. Shake the nozzle.
Good. Oh! Oh no! Okay, if there was not cars coming, I'd strip right now. Bucket.
Put the pants on.